Hi everyone, welcome back to Heal with me. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, what's wrong with me? Not because you don't care, but because no matter how hard you try, it always feels like you are one step behind. Let me tell you the truth no one said clearly to you. You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are someone who's been in survival mode for too long. And that is going to end now. Today, we are going to help your nervous system feel safe with money again. Because healing your money story isn't about hustle, it's about finally believing that I'm allowed to receive. Let's begin. Breathe into this moment with me. Let your body relax. Let your heart soften down. You are not here to chase money. You are here to become a magnet for it. Now repeat after me, either out loud or in your heart. I'm open to receive wealth. I'm safe to welcome abundance. I'm worthy of money that feels good. I am a natural receiver. I am allowing money to flow into my life. I am open to unexpected income. I am always supported. I am grateful for every money I receive. I am trusting in divine timing. I am free from the fear around receiving. I am relaxed as I welcome wealth. I am valuable and value flows back to me. I am paid well for being me. I am deeply worthy of a wealthy life. I am confident in what I offer the world. I am wealthy because I am whole. I am living proof that self-worth creates abundance. I am safe to shine. I am a walking invitation for abundance. I am already enough. I am supported in my purpose and rewarded for it. I am seen, valued, and respected. I am always attracting the right people around me and the right opportunities. I am one with the energy of wealth. I am a clear channel of abundance. I am a magnet for financial blessings. I am creating space for overflow. I am constantly attracting new income. I am in harmony with money. I am wealthy in my mind, my spirit, and my bank account. I am connected to the inspired ideas that grow my wealth. I am always in flow with money. I am expanding my income with ease. Take a long deep inhale and exhale. Now Imagine this: you wake up and don't feel fear anymore. There's peace in your chest. You open your inbox in your phone, and the opportunity you have been waiting for is in front of you. It could be the client, the payment, or the yes. And this time you are not shocked, because you have been preparing for this version of yourself. You have become someone who receives with calm and gives from overflow. That's who you are right now. Again, repeat this in your heart along with me. I am in flow with money, not in control. I am allowed to enjoy wealth. I am attracting aligned opportunities right now. I am open to smarter decisions and clearer vision in my life. I am flowing towards my desires. I am always supported even when I am resting. I am creating freedom, not just income. I am inviting wealth that lifts me and others around me. I am consistent, creative, and calm. I am financially expanding every day. I am welcoming growth, not pressure. I am free from the old days. I choose new ease. I am more than enough, so I attract more than enough. I am living in overflow. I am generous because I have more than I need. I am grateful before the money arrives. I am already living in my wealthy future. I am always attracting surplus. I am ready to handle wealth with clarity. I am strong, soft, and rich. I am receiving more than I asked for. Now let's do some visual affirmations. Close your eyes and visualize. Picture yourself logging into your bank account and finally seeing a 6-digit balance. No anxiety, just peace. Now imagine you are checking through your emails and one catches your eye: a remote job offer or a partnership with someone who values your work and pays you well. Visualize yourself receiving a physical check in the mail. It's real. It has your name on it. 1,25,000. Your first big milestone. And you breathe in gratitude. I am becoming someone who money flows to, often and easily. Feel your phone buzz, a payment notification, that is you received 1 lakh rupees. It came from a side project. You started with no expectations, and now it's growing well. Now, picture yourself walking into your favorite cafe and not checking your balance before ordering. You order what you love because you trust there's more where that came from. I'm aligned with income that honors my energy. Visualize yourself saying no to a toxic job and yes to a project that lights you up and pays you triple what you have asked for. I'm already living in overflow. Feel what it's like to surprise your loved one with a gift, not because you have to, but because you now have more than enough to give. I'm living in my dream financial reality. I am supported by money, time, and freedom. I'm waking up to ease and opportunity. I'm free to create, rest, and enjoy. I am receiving in the ways I couldn't even imagine before. I'm grateful for my beautiful financial life. I'm impacting others through my abundance. I'm aligned with my true wealth. I'm dancing with the rhythm of money. Let all these words settle down in your body now. You don't need to work harder for them to be true. They are already alive inside you. Your only job is to keep them remembering again and again. Now say these last few lines with your whole being. I am abundance. I am already wealthy. I am the energy that attracts more. I am calm, open, and ready. Listen to this every day and let it rewire the way you feel about money. The more you return to these words, the more natural abundance becomes. You are not chasing wealth anymore, you are becoming it. You are safe, you are worthy, you are ready, and money is already on its way to you. Thanks for listening.